Hey there, it's Evan Brand back with another video. Do you remember the last video I showed you? I was actually wearing this same shirt. I'll link it right here. I was looking at some patient lab results and we found quite a few things that were going on, some different infections. And I said, well, let's follow up once we have the stool test result so we can really see what's going on. Well, now we have that stool test result and I'm going to show you. We're looking here at this is a 401H. This is a stool test that I use pretty often. And first thing that you see at the top of this chart here, you see this group D enterococcus. This is a bacteria that you don't want there, so we have to get rid of that. And you see the amount of growth is abundant. Now this is exactly what I suspected, but you can't prove with the organic acid test, which is a urine test that you do at home. I can't prove it, but I can only guess, and my guess was right. You see here on all three of the samples that tested for ova and parasites, blastocystis hominis was detected on all three of those. So this is a pretty large amount of blastocystis. This is a common parasite, one of the most common parasites in the United States. And we're going to use about a 8-week, about a 6 to 9 really week protocol that involves some of the gut healing if the person's ready for it, if their hormones are healthy enough to handle it, and then also a post follow-up infection support. So this is just a short video. If you suspect that you have a parasite, if you look at your fingernails and you see vertical lines, vertical ridges, or you can actually feel the texture, the vertical ridge texture with your fingertips, then I would advise you to go get a test like this. If you're working with a functional medicine practitioner, they can get one for you, or you can go to my website by clicking on screen here, and you can go and order a stool test to your door and make sure that you don't have a parasite infection. I see it in 1 in 3 people each week, so pretty common. I've had 2 parasites myself. It's something that you can't ignore because there are links between certain parasite infections and disease, such as Lou Gehrig's disease, also known as ALS. You remember seeing that ice bucket challenge? Well, certain parasites can cause that disease. There's at least a known link. This is Evan Brand. I will talk with you in the next video.